Right guys, we're back in the van. As you can see, I've got the dogs with me. We just had a lovely dog walk, and it's time to get the drone up in the sky. Coffee's acquired, lovely bit of coffee and a little bit of cake to enjoy afterwards. Bit of a windy day today, so let's take it easy. Bit of a practice run, a little bit of manual mode, see what footage we can get in a new location today, to see if you can guess where I am. The dogs have enjoyed their walk, so they'll settle down in a minute, and let's get that drone up. Enjoy. Just sat there enjoying the sunshine. We've had a nice walk, got the drone up, and we'll go home in a minute. Good boys. Well, everybody, thanks for watching. A little bit too windy with manual mode. Did manage to get it into manual mode, but yeah, really not what I wanted. But hey ho, another day, another flight. So if you do like what you're watching, guys, please do, of course, like the video, drop a comment down below, and subscribe. And on to the next one. Thanks for watching.